Hello guys, welcome to Kale's kitchen. Today we are going to make the Paneer Kadhai. First we are going to marinate the paneer with little bit of lemon juice, and then we are going to use the tandoori masala near about 1 teaspoon and mix it all in with a spoon and marinate for 5 minutes. Take a pan and add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Then we are going to fry our bell peppers. I am taking here about 1 cup of bell peppers. Lightly roast them in oil. Take them out. We are going to add the cubical cuts onion and fry them for about 5 minutes. Once onions are done, take them out. Lastly, we are going to shallow fry our marinated paneer. Are lightly brown, take them out. Take another pan and add about 5 tablespoons of oil. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Garam masala. Here we have cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamoms, star anise and 1 big cardamom. Now we are adding the finely chopped onion. Here I am taking 2 small size onions. Saute the onion in oil till they are translucent and lightly browned. When they are brown, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything together. Now adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 3 teaspoons of red chili powder, two teaspoons of coriander powder, and salt as per taste. I have added 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix everything together. After mixing everything together, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. You can lightly crush the tomatoes in the blender. Once the tomato puree is cooked, here I am adding 2 cups of boiled water. After adding the water, Cook them really well. Once the gravy is cooked, you can add bell pepper, onion and paneer into it. Saute again for 2-3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar for taste, and at last add the fenugreek leaves or kasturi methi.